To start generating your SEO roadmap, simply connect the AI engine. Paste your OpenAI API key, click Save, and you're ready to go. To guide your SEO strategy, the AI SEO Content Planner uses something called presets. A preset defines the main direction of your content roadmap. First, choose a hero topic. This is the main theme you want your website to rank for, the area where you want to build authority. For example, SEO, WordPress, or digital marketing. Next, add your hero assets. These are the specific strengths or angles that make your content unique, such as technologies, features, or specializations. For example, SEO for WordPress, AI-powered SEO, or technical SEO tools. Once your preset is created, the planner uses this information to generate keyword roadmaps aligned with your strategy. Instead of random keyword ideas, you get a focused SEO plan built around your main topics and strengths. You can create multiple presets, edit them anytime, and adapt your strategy as your website grows. Presets ensure your content roadmap always stays aligned with your core SEO goals. Now let's look at the keyword roadmap. This is where the AI SEO Content Planner turns your strategy into a structured content plan. Instead of guessing what to write next, the AI generates a complete SEO roadmap based on your preset. Simply click Generate, and the planner will create a list of strategic keywords for your website. Each keyword is organized into a clear publishing schedule. Every row represents a new content opportunity. You can see the publishing day, the topic pillar, the keyword itself, and the search intent. The planner also estimates keyword difficulty, keyword competitiveness, and monthly search volume. This helps you prioritize the best opportunities first. Some keywords are marked as quick wins. These are lower competition opportunities that can bring traffic faster. When you're ready to create the article, simply click the keyword. It will instantly open inside the AI draft generator. From there, you can generate a fully optimized article in minutes. You can also filter keywords, export the roadmap to CSV, or track your progress by marking topics as done. The result is a clear, structured SEO roadmap that helps you publish the right content at the right time, turning your website into a predictable organic traffic system.